Hey guys, it's AJ here, and in this video, I will be showing you the Amon Japanese because they're Amon Japanese. There's a sneak peek, like in the background, you can see there's the new dam. That's epic. Celebrate the new year in the all new Winter Palace Dam. Nestled on a snowy hilltop. As I see, blah 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 blah. So anyway, you start off in this place, then you can go up. Here's the secret entrance. It's not really secret actually. So like you can walk out, which is like really cool. And then it's like really good for what is that? Someone hacking me. Someone hacking me. Someone literally hacking me. What? Someone's hacking me. Oh my gosh. Can that happen when somebody else logs on? What? What? Let's see. Let's see if I still got my stuff. Yeah, I still got my stuff. I'm like, I mean, if they hack me, they would take my wrist. But no, don't take my buddy. That was also my buddy from there. That looks weird. The bone tail looks weird, I must say. Anyway, so let's continue with the video, okay? Let's not creep out. Alright, so this is good for like let it go music videos. Not that I had such an idea. Anyway, I was also quite here. Let's quickly try this way out. That just didn't work. So next we got some other news. We got double gems. Do you love gems? Yeah, I do. For the next time on blah 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 blah, I can gems. I'm playing every game in Jamar. And coming soon. There's a new animal. You have clues. So I think it's gonna be good because let's see. T A O G O, that turns into a goat. Like if you rearrange it. Oops, I just did not want to do that. So it reminds you of our German parties, and the polar bears are coming, and then the snow leopard gift card. Then also remember to pick up your Arctic Ball for the stuff from the oh yeah, Playworld. Also send me any gems you have on Playworld. Just kidding. If you want to buddy me on Playworld, man, feel free to buddy me. I'm gonna do quick, like, you know. This is like if you do this, it looks exactly like in the, you know, which then, yeah, look at this. That's like really weird. Oh my gosh, that's weird. It's a nice prison. Who wants a nice prison? Okay, so yeah. Let's look around. Nothing that looks good. Okay, like that. I'm gonna make a ZS sculpture because these are cool. I like ZS sculptures, but I only have like one. I didn't know. Yeah. Anyways, so let's quickly decorate this. Not speedy, no, just speedy. Oh no. Let's got some plushies. Well, push cloud. I also changed it from cloud looks. Some medieval friends. I'm just kidding. So then we get 2016. It's a celebration, I guess. Another 2016, but I didn't have two. Why did I have two 2016 then? That makes no sense. So be ready for more some troll videos because I'm gonna be trolling some people. Yeah, what trolling is. It's good. But make then my stuff. That's okay. Now I just want the ice cream to be here maybe. No, where will we do the ice cream? Why don't we have the ice cream here and then delete that? And we have a couch here. And then a chair here. And verb, of course, will be here. So yeah. Right, I'll get that. Okay. So family wants to see anything else that can be helpful. Like, I want to get all of that recording right now. Yeah, some of it. Okay. I look scared. So I bought myself a polymer and I regret it now. Because I paid real money for it. Oh, that's not my polymer, by the way. I have another one, but I paid real money for it. Pretty sad. Yeah, so if you have any look suggestions, comment below because I have no idea. No one looks scared, I don't know. That looks okay. I don't know. So I got an elf helmet. That's really cool. Yeah, a lot of stuff. This was taking like 15 minutes. Like already. So I need a look for my article. My bunny. I really want to change this look because that looks creepy. But ever since I got the rare eyeball, I kind of like this outfit. I'm gonna change it anyway, but it kind of looks like a dinosaur. You know what I mean? It's gonna be great because I like gray. Let's quickly make it out. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not talking, but yeah. So I like a bow tie. Yeah. Oh, that looks weird. That looks even weirder. So how does this look now? That looks cool. Let's see how our uppers look. Right now, back. What? She's down. I can have fun, but she kind of looks empty. Not empty, that's like stupid, but she looks like that she was scammed. But she's not scammed because she has good stuff here. She really looks like she's wearing nothing. Items. Yeah. Alright, so bye guys, that's it for today. And that's it for today. So bye and see you in the next video.